हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम श्योर बहुत सारे बच्चों ने इसको डिकोड कर लिया होगा बड़े आराम से। बहुत सारे बच्चे थोड़े से फंसे होंगे, लेकिन जैसे ही काउची बुनियाकॉस्की श्वार्ज़ इनइक्वालिटी के बारे में सोचा होगा तो बहुत सारे लोगों ने इसको सॉल्व कर दिया होगा। अगर आपने अभी तक सीबीएस इनइक्वालिटी के सेटअप से नहीं सोचा है तो प्लीज पॉज इट एंड रीथिंक अबाउट इट, कंसिडरिंग द सेटअप ऑफ सीबीएस इनइक्वालिटी। और जो बच्चे अभी पहली बार देख रहे हैं सवाल को, वो भी आप वीडियो को पॉज करें और ट्राई करें इसको सॉल्व करने का, कंसिडरिंग फ्रॉम द सेटअप ऑफ सीबीएस इनइक्वालिटी। आइए आगे प्रूव करते हैं, देखते हैं। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं a1 plus a2 up to an is less than equal to under root n into a1 square plus a2 square up to an square. Now definitely when the left hand side is negative, then we don't need to talk, it's a true statement. The story becomes the proof when we know that the left hand side is also a positive term. So let's say if it's a positive term, so what we can do, I can square both sides because both are positive, and when we square, when both the sides are positive and when we square, there is no change in inequality. So I can say, I can rewrite the whole setup as a1 plus a2 up to an whole square is less than equal to n into a1 square a2 square plus an square. From this inequation, I'll get a hint that definitely it has something to do with Cauchy inequality if you look into that. So the b1, b2, bn all are missing, but if you look closely, it is actually hidden inside. What if b1 equals b2 equals b3 equals bn equals 1? What if all the terms is 1? Then also the inequality remains true, because CBS inequality is for all. So if you put the setup of b1 b2 b2 all thing equals to 1, so what was Cauchy CBS inequality? It was a1 b1 plus a2 b2 up to an bn whole square, that was less than equal to a1 square up to an square into b1 square up to bn square. Now if I put b1 equals b2 equals bn equals 1, if I put all the b's, substitute all the b's with 1, what would the equation look like? It would look like a1 plus a2 up to an whole square less than equal to a1 square up to an square into 1 plus 1 how many times? N times. So what is 1 plus 1 added n times? That would become n. So I can say a1 plus a2 up to an whole square would be less than less than n into a1 square up to an square. Now what you can do, you can rewrite it and say that a1 plus a2 up to an, since both sides are positive, so you can take a square root, will be less than equal to square root of n into a1 square up to an square. I hope you got how we proved it.